Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something super simple, fast and delicious, sautéed green cabbage. Let's get started. First, peel an onion and slice it into the thin strips. Heat a little oil in a pan, and once it's hot, then we're gonna add the onion. So chop the onion or slice it in a thin strips, and then we're gonna saute it on the pan until it gets a nice golden color. This is what it's gonna give our cabbage such a nice flavor. So then we're gonna slice the cabbage on the thin strips, just like that, and then chop them into the bite-sized strips so they cook nicely and evenly. It looks appealing. Doesn't have to be anything perfect, but really chop them nicely so they will be cooking nicely. So while we're stirring the onion and we wanted to get it nice and soft and nice golden color, then we're gonna put the cabbage on the onion. So when the onion reaches the perfect golden color, add the cabbage to the pan. Stir everything together and season with salt, pepper, and red paprika. So we'll let it cook on the medium heat, stirring frequently, making sure that it doesn't stick to the pan. Because it might burn. At first, the cabbage will saute in its inside juices. Don't add any water as yet. So we want to develop the light sweetness and a bit of the golden color. This only happens while the cabbage is being stirred on a hot, oily pan without the water, because once we would add the water, then it starts cooking in it, and then we don't get the same flavors. But anyway, once you see the cabbage is starting to soften, then add the water and cover it, lower the temperature of your pan, and let it cook about 20 minutes. Stirring occasionally. If you need it, you can always add a little more water, but keep it very minimal. And this is how it should look: soft, golden, sweet, and beautifully scented. Serve it with your favorite meat or veggies. Today I am having stir-fried chicken strips, broccoli, and mixed vegetables. Simple and delicious. There we go, sautéed green cabbage, ready to enjoy. It's the easy side dish that goes perfectly with any meat, or you can also just enjoy it on its own. Dobar tek, enjoy. Thank you for watching.